Hello, welcome Edulogos Mind. Myself Sutapa ma'am. Now the last part of United Nations. India has been a member of United Nations since on 30th October 1945. It is also one of the major contribution on troops for the UN peacekeeping forces. Our peace-loving nature was kept our relations with UN very healthy. India has full faith in the ideas of the UN. It actively participates in the activities of agencies like World Health Organization means WHO, Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi was the first President of General Assembly of the United Nations. Do you know who is Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit? She is the sister of Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and also the first woman president of UN. Vijay Lakshmi from 1985 to 1988, Dr. Narendra Singh of India served as the president of the International Court of Justice. Hardeep Singh Puri served as the chairperson of the Security Council Counter Terrorism Committee from 2011 to 13. Anirudh Rajput was elected by the UN General Assembly as a member of the International Law Commission in 2016. Anita Bhatia was appointed as the Deputy Executive Director of UN Women in 2019. In a speech at the United Nations in New York in September 2015, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that his country was committed to following a sustainable path to prosperity. उन्नति के तरफ. He called on developed nations to honor their financial pledges both for development and tackling climate change. He also said that India was concentrating on the basics of development, that is housing, power, water and sanitation for all. Means he asked for depositing, means using financial depositing towards Indian business that India can develop in every field. Minister of External Affairs Sushma Swaraj, means late Sushma Swaraj, she is now no more, addressed the 72 session of UN General Assembly on September 23, 2017. She said the UN was established for the welfare, security, harmony, means setting up the brotherhood, rights and economic progress of the people of our world. India fully supports the efforts in this great mission. She said that the world is trapped in troubles like rise of violence and terrorism. A large part of the world's population is tortured by hunger and poverty. गरीबी से जूझ रहा है. In the critical situations, India has shown courage and leadership to take tough decisions to interlink the process of sustainable development. All programs launched by India, such as Digital India, Skill India, Clean India, Startup India, Stand Up India, and now self-dependent India, have a principal purpose of empowerment of the poor. If you like the video, then definitely subscribe it, Edulogos Mind. And now next, the last question. Answer. What is the role of UNICEF? The UNICEF works for the rights of children, including concerns regarding their education and health. It also provides humanitarian assistance to children and mothers. Means whoever not efficiently get the food, the mother and the son and the children, for them the UNICEF provide the nutritious food. Thank you very much.